Could the person on my ear be dead? Seriousness, 100%. Could it be? Because they is killer eh. I am Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnaye Diamantisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. The person that talks on my ear, could that person be dead? Seriousness. Ang taas ng inggit nila. Their enviousness is so high level. They is not invited to a life of myself. I not want them. I not want Bobo camouflage. Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer. Yeah. Could it be they be dead? They is bad person eh. On my left ear, myself is already on traumatization, scareness, of such as that is why I slap my ear. They tends to do some such that. They is so wrong. Could you please help me? Because myself is being killed eh. When it comes onto this, of what will I show? Precious Cruz Sendico is the person that killing me. Seriousness, that is the truthfulness, seriousness. Could it be they be dead? Those person on my ear. The noise on my left ear, maybe they uses that so that I myself could have hypertension. Could it be the person on my ear be dead? I wish they be dead. They should be dead. I wish they be killed. They be dead. Could it be? Happens already. They is criminal eh. I not want to socialize onto them. I not want to socialize onto them. What I think of when it comes into interrogation, their equipment is high. Kaya nga, that is why my voice is monotonous. What time ito? Excuse me. I will share now. This is how my wait lang. There is person that tends to copy me while I talk. My mini notebook is on the rental house. This is my eye. But I need to talk about it. There's nothing to say on July 2019. Studying. Studying of myself is I go to school during year 2019. So during year 2019, my talking is not usually of what is talking during year 2017, year 2018. I not know the reason why, but on myself, my thinking process is I am focuses on studies, business course because I eager to wants to graduate already. I took I took the business course 3 year old only. At the moment I talk, there is person that interferes on my talking. And then what else during year 2019? My subject is uh, only one count is allowed when it comes onto shifting on other course on college. The next subject of myself is of what I say message this one. So I will not say anything about him now. What else could I say? July. Yun, there is the maxi dress, mini dress, midi dress. Year 2019, I already say about Shopee and my other camera video. Uh, it is already on Boost, Shopee, Lazada, and then what I use is as well Altea. Altea, my first encounter to bought Vice Ganda lip shade, bougainvillea, and then red color. And then free lip shade, one count, violet color. Altea is what I bought the online website that I bought Vice Cosmetics during violet. There is more yung white color, pink, light pink color. That is 4 count of color. Oh, 5 count that is, I think. 5 count or 4 count. Pink bougainvillea, light pink bougainvillea, red color, violet. Four count of color. And then That is my, oh yan na! Oh my God! Oh, it is 10 minute and 31 second and my camera video will end 13 minute and 49 second. It is being returned on myself. The the vibes of being girly. But there is person on my ear that knows about it, getting it. Mine is mine. The kabit number 2 is getting of what is mine. Mine is my feeling. So, my vibes in there is girly, of such as pampering and relaxation on face, putting face cosmetic. My first cosmetic on face being bought is lip shade, Vice Cosmetic on Altea. It is a good website. I like it. Uh, I'm not sip-sip of damdamin. I'm not extracting feeling from Althea, but it is being shows from myself about the feeling of myself towards on at Althea of how I use it. And then in that Althea, I found uh, cosmetic. Eye palette cosmetic. That is the reason of why myself is has knowledge. Oh, it is near to end my camera video at this moment. At this one, no, that is why I have knowledge. Of such as the word, what is that? This one. I could write of what I like because of I tends to, what you call that? Explore. That is the reason. Mine is mine. It is 12 minutes and 43 seconds. 13 minutes and 49 seconds will end my camera video. What else could I say about Althea? Etude House. It is being returned my memory. So I will end my camera video at the moment.